Some of you might have a problem with the taste of coffee or with the caffeine in it. That's why I encourage those people to actually drink hot chocolate, and I read the remnants, the symbols, the shapes left by the hot chocolate in the cup. That's one of the alternatives. Or some people just don't like the taste of coffee, then black tea, loose black tea also leave this sediment, and I read the tea leaves in the cup too. So these are the way of divination. Sometimes we need to work around your needs, because I can't really insist on this is the coffee, this is the only style. No, there is some flexibility around it. As long as there is a good intent, we can find a way.